Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the caption or subtitle, text color or background color on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, you want to tap on hearing enhancements. Then we go down and tap on caption preference. Next, go down and tap on caption size and style. Now in here, you want to select caption style. And here are some of a predefined style that you could use. Default, white on black, black on white, yellow on black, or yellow on blue, or custom. Now, if you choose, say, yellow and black, you can see this is what it looks like in a preview window. And you can also tap on custom. Custom allow you to choose your own color. You can choose your own font family. And this is small cap. You can change the text color to yellow. And you can change the text opacity. Text color to magenta. And I'll put the opacity to 100%. And you can choose the edge type. So you got default, none. You got drop shadows. You can set the drop shadows. Background color. So you can set the background color to white. So this is what it looks like in white background. And you got the background opacity and caption window color as well. So there's quite a lot of settings that you can change to the caption or the subtitles on your Galaxy S22 series. So I will set some of them back to the default. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.